have the right rear wheel cylinders. So on my way into town tonight, I'll pick a set of those up, or at least see if I can get them. So we're going to move on to the fronts. Come on. I'm going to pull 3 off on each side right now, just to make it worthwhile. Devin's coming back with more jack stands.
Really making it immobile.
I know. Just got the thing running, now it's not going to drive anywhere.
Broke loose.
Yep. 3 are off on each side.
Jack it up before we get
That's
these
probably better advisable. Doesn't look like it. Or maybe a little bit.
Whatever. It'll just be really unstable.
Okay.
That's how I let it go anyway. Hopefully we can get this wheel off.
That's a vine.
Where's your tire going?
Oh, you know, right there. Get it, Wally!
Yeah, we gotta replace rotors on this.
I think I bought new ones.
Pull the hubs all apart.
This is the one with our big giant spider's nest on it, too. We're swapping them out.
You didn't buy bearings or nothing yet, did you?
I don't know, I didn't yet. Yep. We're just going to leave those for now.
Yeah. I hope they work.
Yeah. In front of the camera there, bro.
Yeah. Oh, that thing?
Yeah. Remember YouTube? That thing that you used to do?
Vacuum everything and then blast it all down with some blaster to break it. Maybe some water or something.
Shut this thing off for a little bit. We're running out of battery.
Oh, yeah.
Can't find my rotors. So we're going to disassemble tonight.
Check around your house, see if you lift it.
Yeah, it might be. Oh, now you did it.
This idea was to beat it on the socket onto the bolt.
Right.
Now we've got to beat it.
Thread it off.
Yeah, wiggle it.
Watch it. YouTube friendly.
Demonetized.
Complete inappropriate content.
Lovely. I think we have new ones. I think they came with the calipers, right?
I don't know. I didn't look.
I think there's some in there if I remember right.
Holy crap, they're even on the calipers already.
You gotta take them off.
And they're the same type of fitting.
Yeah, they seem to match up pretty close. Alright, complete with that caliper, see if you can get it off. Probably gonna need hammered and pry edge. Yeah, well, that's not seasonable.
You don't have pry bars out here, do you?
No.
You're back at the shop. Okay, well the front's disassembled and it's pretty well frazzled like the rears are, so I'm going to need full bearings.
Ball joints?
Ball joints, upper and lower. I guess we could do ball joints tomorrow.
If you can get them.
Yeah, it's true. So I'm going to be ordering parts tonight. Go to the parts store, go to the flap, and
get the little roller bearing on this hub that was bad.
oh, that's right. Yeah, the one of the little tiny bearings on the hub was missing a chunk, so I got to see if I can find that. Maybe I'll be doing manual hubs.
It's supposed to be all the way around.
Yeah, it's missing a chunk on the side there. So.
And you just had another ball fall out.
Okay.
The balls are falling out.
Oh, geez, balls out. So, a little disappointing, but in the long run, kind of was expecting it.
We're gonna have to do it anyways.
But she's up on jack stands. Got the wheels off.
It looks worse than it did before.
Right. But it runs.
It runs great. Just wouldn't know it.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think we're going to end this here. I got to go home and hit the parts store, and hopefully my card doesn't melt.
Card?
The old debit card or credit card or whatever I decide to use.
Swiping it so much.
Yeah. And, yeah.
Engine's great. I'm happy with that.
It sounds good. Should. It's a fresh motor.
No leaks. Well, nothing too.
Yeah, nothing major. Nothing spewing out underneath.
Got the timing all reset. And
yeah.
it's all set up and ready to rock.
Rock and roll. But now we're tired. It's a warm day. Long day. Tomorrow should be cooler though.
Huh. That's what you think.
Yeah. So, alrighty. Got cleanup to do. Got parts run to make. I don't know what I'm going to do for dinner tonight. Kevin's probably, 2 hours past his bedtime now.
Yeah, I stay up till 7:30 now.
Holy crap.
It's probably about that right now though. That's why I'm so tired. 7:30 on the dot.
On the dot. And he collapses. Yeah. So alrighty, we'll come back to her tomorrow. Just spread this out for more videos for y'all to watch. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.